looking back now, you were truly frightening, unraveling, sickening. You seem to show moments of reflection, thoughtful expression, interpersonal communication. Silent thoughts oscillating, word waving, illogical, metaphoric exaggeration. You said it was just a misunderstanding. We all see it was just mirrors of deceit, power and ambition within, all you left incomplete. Hey, you've left it all out of idea. You've destroyed what you found in paradise, turning it into emptiness, leaving us to suffice. Hey, did you think you just erased everything? Hey, did you really not think this through? It's our time to take back what's ours, and it's being taken. Those stories of past fallen empires told us this would happen. History repeats to see if we learned our lesson. Unfortunately, we just tend to repeat it over and over again. The story approaches a cold, thoughtful ending, thoroughly thought out to stop all your reckless acts.